Hi, everyone, welcome to Style 3D Atelier channel. In this video, you will learn what waymaking tight pants. So let's get started. First, add the system-provided pants in the resource library. Double-click on the pants, load type selected as Add. OK. Left-click to select all. Or Ctrl+A to select all. Then press Ctrl+H or right-click to choose Strengthen. This speeds up simulation. Check for any penetration. Move it to the appropriate position. First, let's delete unnecessary patterns. Box select and delete these as well. Here we'll symmetrically recreate a patterns. Click on the front piece, Ctrl+D to symmetry pattern with seam. Click on the newly cloned pattern. Right-click, use symmetry, the shape. Remeasure the waist length at front and back, Shift-select. Measurement is 39. Press the rectangle tool here, or press the shortcut S. Create a rectangle. Enter the measured length of 39. Enter width as 3.5. Then use the Edit Pattern tool. Right-click, use Symmetry Pattern with Edge. This way we only need to work on one side. Arrange it over the avatar's point. Press shortcut 8 to move behind the avatar quickly. Press A. Or click here to show the avatar's arrangement points. Arrange to the suitable position. Press A again to cancel arrangement points. Strengthen here as well. Press N. Or click here. Stitch together. This is more intuitive in the 3D window. Then sew the two sides. And here. Press space to simulate. After simulating, Ctrl+A. Then unstrengthen. The waist isn't fitting well here. Select the pattern. Change shrinkage ratio weft to 90. Simulate once. It fits much better now. Now let's prepare for the modification. Right-click on extra points and convert them to curve control points. We can shift-select points here. Then convert to curve point. Let's fast forward a bit. Now let's shorten the length of the pants. You can just work on one side, the other side will be symmetrically modified. Shorten by 15. Shorten both sides of the pants as well. Use Shift key for multiple selections. Pull it inwards by 3.5. Do the same on the other side, pull it inwards by 3.5. Simulate. Rotate the view to check. It's a bit big here, pull it inward. Reduce by 3. This completes most of the modifications. Now let's simulate a pocket and a zipper guard in the front. Press shortcut X. Or click here to use the Add Point tool. Enter 4.5 here. Give 16 here. Click the pen tool or press D. Connect the 2 points. Use the Edit Pattern tool to cut and sew. This completes the simulation effect for a simple pocket. Now let's also create a zipper guard effect in the front, since only one side is needed. Here you'll need to right-click on the 2 patterns to remove linked editing. After unlinking, you can directly cut and sew here. This completes the pants guard effect. Next, let's add buttons and buttonholes. Click on Materials here. Buttons. Place it in the middle. Double-click to add the button. Then select Buttonholes and double-click to add. This completes the simple simulation effect. Finally, let's adjust physical property. Click on the highlighted fabric here. Drag it down. Select Custom. Here, choose Denim, 5.2 ounce stretch denim. Add physical property. In this way, the skinny jeans are finished. That's it guys, and I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. If you like what we do, please liking, commenting and sharing this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.